PSI Environmental's Yellow Jacket drain inlet filter is a simple and effective sediment control device that can be installed within minutes. Its patented design features a durable sediment catch, heavy-duty 2-inch webbing straps with metal carabiners for securing the unit in place, overflow holes to prevent flooding and backups, and lastly, a removable foam backer rod to prevent waste from entering the drain when the unit is used to protect the combo grate with a curb inlet. Before installation, thoroughly clean the area around your drain inlet. Simply remove the unit from its packaging and lay it out face up on the ground next to the drain inlet you plan to protect. Ensure the foam backer rod is turned towards the curb inlet. Now remove the grate and place it on top of your Yellow Jacket DI filter with the straps underneath the grate. Make sure your straps are running perpendicular to the long edge of your grate. Please note that the squared drain inlet filter units like the YJ22, YJ33, and YJ44 will have a perpendicular strap configuration, resulting in a strap coming up from under each side of the grate. Install these filters in the same manner as a rectangle unit, with the foam backer rod up against the curb inlet. Using the straps, lift the filter and grate into position and lower it back into the inlet. Anchor the Yellow Jacket to the grate by looping each carabiner through the opposite strap loop and attaching to the grate as shown. Once the Yellow Jacket has been secured to the grate, installation is complete. If additional inlet protection is required, consider installing PSI Environmental's silt sifter bags or similar products surrounding your inlet. Thank you for choosing PSI Environmental. You can visit our website for further resources or reach us by phone and email